everyone. Today I'm making chocolate milk. So first the ingredients. You need sugar, milk, a cup, 3 spoons, and Ovaltine chocolate powder. So the first step is pour milk in the cup. You can pour however much you like. I'm going to pour about that much. Next, you need to add your Ovaltine chocolate powder. I'm going to add about 3 spoons. And yeah, that much. And I'm going to mix it. Okay, so that should be about good. So I'm going to put this in the sink. So next, you need to add sugar. I'm going to add about that much. Should be good. And mix it. You have to mix it right away because the sugar will sink to the bottom immediately. Okay. And now it's ready. Now I'm just going to microwave it for 30 seconds in the microwave. So everyone, this is the final product. I hope you enjoy the chocolate milk when you make it. Bye!